Hello everyone. We all need Microsoft Office, but that is not cheap. So in this video, I will show you how to install fully activated Microsoft Office. First, download this Office 2007 folder whose link will be in description. Here, you will find complete Office setup and its key. We are installing Office 2007 and I should tell you that there is no huge difference between latest Microsoft Office version and this version. After setup is done, we will have complete Office. Let's open Word, and since we can use every tool, this means our Office is activated. This is the latest Word, and as you can see, the main difference is that it just looks good and has some online things like Wikipedia, AdSen, etc. So this was the complete installation of Microsoft Office 2007. Thanks for watching.